Okay, for today's video, we're gonna make a mango gulaman cake. So we need 2 mangoes and one condensed mango flavor, VAP, Nestle cream, and also the gulaman. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started. First is gulaman. It's much better because it's flavored, but it wasn't flavored. It was our condensed lemon is flavored. So yeah. Then next is one can add shredded mango. Okay, after the Nestle cream, let's add 2 cups of water. Here. Stir it well hanggang sa kumulo siya. After boiling then, and here's our final look. So pretty. Okay, happy birthday. Very nice.